Next topic is multimedia authoring. Multimedia authoring is a process of assembling different types of media contents like text, audio, image, animation, and video as a single stream of information. As a single stream of information with the help of various software tools available in the market. Multimedia authoring tools give an integrated environment for joining together the different elements of a multimedia production. It gives the framework for organizing and editing the components of multimedia project. It enables the developer to create interactive presentation by combining text, audio, video, graphics and animation. Features of authoring tool: editing feature, organizing feature, visual programming with icons or objects, programming with scripting language, document development tools, interactivity features, simple branching, conditional branching, playback features, supporting CD-ROM or Laserdisc sources, supporting video for Windows, hypertext, cross-platform capability, runtime player for distribution, internet playability. So these are the different features of authoring tools. Let us see most important authoring tools. Editing features. Most authoring environment and packaging exhibit capabilities to create, edit and transform different kinds of media that they support. For example, Macromedia Flash comes bundled with its own sound editor. This eliminates the need for buying dedicated software to edit sound data. So authoring systems include editing tools to create, edit and convert multimedia components such as animation and video clips. Organizing features. The process of organization, design and production of multimedia involve navigation diagrams or storyboarding and flowcharting. Some of the authoring tools provide a system of visual flowcharting or overview facility to showcase your project's structure at the macro level. Navigation diagrams help to organize a project. Many web authoring programs like Dreamweaver include tools that create helpful diagrams and links among the pages of a website. Visual programming with icons or objects. It is simplest and easiest authoring process. For example, if you want to play a sound, then just click on its icon. Programming with a scripting language. Authoring software offers the ability to write scripts for software to build features that are not supported by the software itself. With script, you can perform computational tasks, sense user input and respond. Character creation, animation, launching other application and to control external multimedia devices. Document development tools. Some authoring tools offer direct importing of pre-formatted text to index facilities, to use complex text search mechanism and to use hypertexting tools. Interactive features. Interactivity empowers the end users to control the content and flow of information of the project. Authoring tools may provide one or more levels of interactivity. Simple branching offers the ability to go to another section of the multimedia production. Conditional branching supports a go-to based on a result if-then decision or events. Playback features. When you are developing multimedia project, you will continuously assembling elements and testing to see how the assembly looks and performs. Therefore, authoring system should have playback facility. Supporting CD-ROM or Laserdisc sources. This software allows overall control of CD drives and Laserdisc to integrate audio, video and computer files. CD-ROM drives, video and Laserdisc sources are directly controlled by authoring programs. Supporting video for Windows. Videos are the right media for your project which are stored on the hard disk. Authoring software has the ability to support more multimedia elements like video for Windows. Hypertext capabilities can be used to link graphics, some animations and other text. The help system of window is an example of hypertext. Such systems are very useful when a large amount of textual information is to be represented or referenced. Cross-platform capability. Some authoring programs are available on several platforms and provide tools for transforming and converting files and programs from one to the other. Runtime player for distribution. Runtime software is often included in authoring software to explain the distribution of your final product by packaging playback software with content. Some advanced authoring programs provide special packaging and runtime distribution for use with devices such as CD-ROM. Internet playability. Due to web has become a significant delivery medium for multimedia authoring system typically provide a means to convert their output so that it can be delivered within the context of HTML or dynamic HTML, that is DHTML. Authoring tools classification. There are different tools available. They can be classified as card or page based authoring tools, or icon based or event driven authoring tools, and object oriented authoring tools. So these are the three types of classification of authoring tools. First one is card or page based authoring tools. There will be single pages. In these authoring system, elements are organized as pages of a book. In the book there are thousands of pages. These tools are best used when the bulk of your content consists of elements that can be viewed individually. For example, the pages of a book. Right? What are the advantages? Following are the advantages of card based authoring tool. Easy to understand. One screen is equal to one card or one page. Easy to use as these tools provide template, short development time. What are the disadvantages? Some run only on one platform. They are not multi-platform. Tools not as powerful as equivalent to stand-alones. Second type of authoring tool is icon based. Icon based tools gives a visual programming approach to organizing and presenting multimedia. So what are the advantages? Clear structure, easy editing and uploading. Disadvantages: difficult to learn and expensive. Third one is time based authoring tool. Time based authoring tools allow the designer to arrange various elements and events of the multimedia project along as well defined timeline. Advantages: good for creating animation, branching, user control, interactive facilities. Disadvantages: they are very expensive, their file size is large, and steep learning curve. You have to give some input, you have to invest some time and money in order to learn these types of tools. For example, Macromedia Flash or Macromedia's Director. These are the two examples of time based authoring tools. Last one is object oriented authoring tools. Object oriented authoring tools support environment based an object. Each object has the following two characteristics: state or attribute, behavior or operation. Right? So what is state or attribute? The state or attribute refers to the built-in characteristics of an object. For example, color. Right? For example, color TV has the following attributes: color receiver, volume control, picture control, 128 channels, remote control unit, etc. Behavior or creation. The behavior or operation like switch off, switch on, there will be some behavior of that, right? So these are the different authoring tools. Okay. In next lecture, there is only last point remaining, that is virtual reality. We will see in next lecture.